Hello, and welcome to another tutorial for character customization on the Unity Asset Store. In this video, I'll be demonstrating how you can make permanent prefabs for a new variation of a character using existing variations. And I'll be demonstrating this with Customizable Survivor Packs by Ida Faber. And this is going to work with any character compatible with character customization. Essentially, all you have to do is drag your character during runtime while it's configured from your hierarchy into your project to create the prefab, and then remove the components related to character customization that are no longer needed. In doing so, you will create a permanent prefab that is the specific variant you want. You can use it for NPCs or a non-customizable main character. But in doing so, you can get variations that aren't existing in the existing asset that you purchased, or just a combination that you want that's unique to your game. Let's get started. This project is a continuation of the previous tutorial where I set up these characters. The link is in the description below. But what we're going to do is we're just going to continue off of here and make something unique. So, from what we've seen before, there are 9 combinations of the male character. As you can see, we have a nice preview of them over here on the right. To demonstrate this in action, we're going to look at all our existing variants, and none of them have both a winter hat and sunglasses at the same time. So what you'll find is this person's only wearing a cap, this one has the winter hat but no sunglasses, this one doesn't have anything, this one has sunglasses but not the winter hat, and again, no headgear, just sunglasses, no headgear, and no headgear. So what we're going to do is we're going to find our character with the winter hat, and we're going to split this character up. The way we're going to do that is with our tool Character Customization, Prefab Generator. We're going to take our character, drag it into the scene. For now, we're going to go and prefab, unpack completely, remove the animator. We want to split this out into pieces. Now, we're going to take the character, drag it into full character. We're going to open this up, find the root, reference the root. This is a male character. And then we're going to go and generate pieces. Once it's finished, it goes into the generated assets folder right over here. We no longer need this. We can delete it. We can close this as well. And now the reason we did this is because we want to find that hat. And here it is, hat 2. Now if we take our existing outfits, we want to create a new outfit for this hat. So we're going to go into Outfit Models Male. We're going to right click, Create, Scriptable Object, Outfit Scriptable Object. We'll call it Outfit 9 Hat 2. Winter hat. The icon doesn't matter too much. And for the category, we'll put category 0, which is the head. And then for the pieces, we can reference this hat 2. Now we should get that. Additionally, let's create something for the sunglasses. We'll go Create, Scriptable Object, Outfit Scriptable Object. We'll call it Outfit 10 Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Again, for the icon, just pick another icon, it doesn't matter. Again, I'll put it in category 0 for now. You can put it in whatever category you want. And we need to find the pieces for the glasses. And here they are. Now, over in our scenes, we're going to reload the game scene. We don't need to save it because we dragged in that prefab when we didn't need it. Next thing we need to do is we need to go into Customize, Character Matrix, and we need to remove this collision between the pants and sunglasses. What happened is the matrix shifted when we created new outfits. So we need to reset the collision, and what we're going to do is we want to collide with the shirt and the jacket. That was the only collision that we had specified. Make that change, close that. Now let's hit play. And if we go Customize, we can now see the head the glasses, the cowboy hat, and the winter hat. So here, now we have a character that has both the sunglasses and winter hat. We can hit save, we can hit done, and the character appears in our game. But this character is built with the system. As you can see, the glasses, it's a little bit hard to see with the lighting. But this character is built with the system, and it's going to rely on the save and build it up each time. But if this character was an NPC, we don't always have to use the character customization system going forward, now that he's been built once and we've gotten this configuration. Instead, what we can do is we can create a prefab for this character. So if we take this character and we just drag it in to our project, we just created a prefab. And this prefab is going to exist even when the game stops. Right? We have this prefab, a permanent variant. We can rename it and we can call it variant 10. It is now fully functional like these. One other thing we need to do is we need to remove the character builder script, because this was used by character customization to build up the character, to be able to modify this, but we don't necessarily need to build up an NPC. An NPC isn't going to be customizable going forward. It's just going to exist in the world once. And now we can use this prefab for anything. We can make a brand new scene, and we can drag the character in. And there it is. And we can specify whatever animations and behaviors and anything we want for this NPC. This can also be your main character. If you wanted to create this unique variant and you didn't need to keep customizing it, you can even take out character customization after you've completed this new variant to make your game more lightweight, or if you don't need character customization. Because a lot of the use cases for it is just to achieve a unique combination. And that's exactly what this is going to do. Now keep in mind, there is a caveat. This new variant relies on all the existing assets, materials, textures. All of that still needs to exist. So you can't just go and suddenly start deleting all of the sources from this character package. Those need to stay, otherwise you will lose this variant too. But as long as you keep everything there, you can make all the variants that you want. I hope you found this tutorial useful. For more information, please check out the other videos as well as the documentation. I hope you enjoy using character customization.